up, y'all? Jess Janae here, and I am here with another video. So it's gonna be another unboxing, and today I am unboxing a new camera. So let's get into the box. So I'm going to open it with some tweezers because I cannot find my scissors.
I'm in the ghetto.
So anyways, give y'all a little history. My camera sucks. It doesn't suck. I'm actually very grateful for my camera. I've had this camera for like 4 years and it has been through the wire with me. It's a Nikon Coolpix. It has the flip out screen. It has all that, and you know, it's down its last leg. I literally have, I'm gonna take a picture of it. And I'm gonna insert it to the side how I have to have my camera. It's so sad. So like I have a twist tie twisted around the camera because at the bottom it's broken off. It like dry rotted because I had it for so long. It's broken off, and yeah, it can't stand on a tripod by itself anymore, so I have a twist tie twisted around it, real deal nigga rig, twisted around the camera to hold it on the tripod so I can record this video for you guys. And the camera falls all the time. It's always cutting off by itself. It doesn't hold a charge. It was just time for it to be trash. So I may give it to my nieces because my nieces, they have their own YouTube channel, so I may give it to them as just like a starting off camera because they use their phones now. So I may just give it to them and let them play around with it and just see, you know. But yeah, we'll see. So yeah, I am opening the box now. And of course, you already know what kind of camera I got. It's the Canon G7X Mark II. So I'm gonna just go in and tell you what all came with this package. I will link down below where I got it from. I got it from Amazon, and I will link the bundle down below that I got. So first it came with this camera bag, but I seen another camera bag on Amazon that I believe that I'm going to get instead of this one. This one is cute and small, but the other one is a little bit more stylish, so I think I'm gonna get that. And on the inside it comes with the straps. So yeah, that's just the camera bag. And then it comes with a purple handheld tripod, and I've been wanting one of these because you can literally like twist these around and have it on anything you want. So that's gonna work out really well for my hair videos and also for my vlogs, because I may be able to like twist this some kind of way around to set up in my car. So drive with me vlogs coming soon. And then it just comes with an HDMI cord, and it comes with a 16 gigabyte what are these things called?
3 hours later.
Memory card. Yeah. It comes with a 16 gigabyte memory card. And another external piece. I guess this is for the charger. And then I believe this is a lens cleaner. Let's see. Yeah. So it has the little brush that retracts, and then it has the little spray. That's gonna come in really good handy. So I really like that. It's a cute little doohickey thing. So then the Canon G7X Mark II. I finally got it. Y'all, my boyfriend, he been had this camera and stuff like that, and I always like sneak and mess with his camera and act like I'm recording and stuff on it, because the quality is just so bomb. So I already know how the quality is on this camera. So just opened it up like this. Comes with some getting started instructions, and I'm just gonna be reading all up on that. I've also seen like other YouTubers, they have some hacks with how to get better quality and the best quality with this camera. So I will be going back and looking at those videos just to see how I can make my videos even better, even more crispier. You can see everything. You can see all these curls popping, you know? So anyway, it just comes with a charger, and open it some more. It has the battery, a strap, and then the wall plug where you charge the battery up at. And then that last but not least at all, Jesus Christ, I have been waiting on this forever, the Canon G7X. It is so small, it is so sleek, and I just love it. Like, compared to my camera that I have now, is super small, and I really like that, because this camera I could barely fit it in my purse. Y'all gonna see the picture when I put it open. But yeah, it has the flip up screen. My camera now that I have has the flip out screen to the side, so it's like I'm cockeyed. I always looking to the side, where now I can just look straight ahead. So yeah, this is just, you know, like I said in my other videos, y'all, I'm not used to nothing at all, like whatsoever. So let's put the battery in. There you go. There it is. Oh, what's up? So yeah, this is the camera, and it looks really, really good. Yeah, I look so much better on this camera, y'all. That's so crazy. Yeah, bomb. As I don't know what, I gotta play around with the settings a little bit, but other than that, I'm really loving this camera. I'm gonna use it for a few of my videos, and then I will give you guys a more in-depth review. Altogether, I really don't like shooting out prices like this because it's my money. But you know what? I'm not gonna say the price. I'm gonna just link the camera down below, and y'all can look at the price. So, and I wanted to give a shout out to Missy. She made these hoodies, God Provides, but her brand is called Extra T. And I ordered 3 hoodies from her. I have one in red, and then I ordered one for my boyfriend for Christmas. He has one in red, and then I just got the new one for myself because I love a minimalist look. So yeah, I got these. They're very comfortable, very good quality, very soft on the inside, and I just love what the brand stands for. So I will link her website down below, and I will also link her her Instagram down below, and you guys can go check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you later. Bye. Mwah. Got a camera, I got no camera, I got no camera, I got no